What time is it? It's Costco time!
Nakabalo na naman yung asawa ko. Makachupa, I have a card. Pagka magpa-membership ka rito mga kachupa, 2 card yung ibibigay sa inyo. Doy, first time ko pa naman mag-shopping dito. Doy, pinalis na ulit. Hindi pa nga ako nakakapag-shopping. Nakakaasar naman tong Costco ko. Pinauwi agad kami. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-shopping. Is what I'm talking about. See, it's 20 bars. It's only 11. Oh, ito makachupa. Can I buy that 2 box?
Get one. Start small.
Yes.
One box.
Only 1 box, 2 box. Oh, maybe different canned goods, no?
Get different canned goods.
$10 lang oh. Both, 2. Huh? Oh. Yes. Cha-ching! Ito, kachupa, madami na oh. Ito na lang, B. I think better. This one is better. No. It's $20 and $23.99.
$500.
$291. There's a lot of people.
It's a nice day out.
Nice.
Now we're gonna find parking spot.
Hi mga kachapapis! Welcome to Costco!
Oh, we have good parking.
We're here at Costco mga kachupa. Magpapa-member kami kasi wala pa kaming card.
We're starting a new membership just so we can get it. You can get membership same day, as far as I can remember.
Yeah. Happy Sunday. Kauwi lang namin galing church. And then nagpahinga lang kami. Kumain lang kami ng lunch. And then dumiretso na kami dito sa Costco.
Let's go. What time is it? It's Costco time!
Nakabalo na naman yung asawa ko. Bakit baliw ka ngayon, B? Tignan natin mga kasyupa kung magkano yung pa-membership dito sa Amerika. And then, bili tayo ng mga grocery natin at saka yung mga ibang babalik-bayan box natin. Yung mga iba. Bibili lang ako ng mga sabon, yung mga food na wala sa Pinas, padadala na sa aking mga mamahal kong mga kapatid.
Now we got it.
Oh, good. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello.
You come by yourself and you need your card, but now that you have a card, you can come by yourself.
Okay. Makachupa, I have a card. Pagka magpa-membership ka rito mga kachupa, 2 card yung ibibigay sa inyo. Isa sa asawa mo, isa sa'yo. So, ang binayaran lang namin is 65, no?
$68 after tax, so it's about $70. So that's about $3,500.
3,000. I'm gonna put my bag here. I'm so thirsty.
Want to go get something to drink?
Yeah.
I have a food court down over there, so we can go over there if we get something to drink.
Please smile ka hanggang te. May smile until ears.
For now, we're gonna need something else. Let's
They have dog. Ito mga kachupa. Oh, how many pieces is that? 3? 3 pieces only?
Oh, you mean this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's more than 3. I thought you were talking about this. 16 bars in here. for $13.
16 bar for $13. Oh, what about this one? Ah, this one is 12. Okay.
That's a $5 rebate on this. It's expired on the July 20, so you can get a $5 rebate.
What's that
actually mean? That means that there's a coupon you have to fill in, and then you send it back to the manufacturer. They give you a $5.
Can I get one?
$5 discount. So it's actually $18.49. But after rebate, it's $13.49. I don't want to do the rebate, so we're not going to get this. We'll find a different one.
Okay.
Because it takes time to do the rebate. You have to fill it out, send it in, and you have to wait for like 2 or 3 weeks just to get the $5. So to me, it's a lot of hassle.
Okay.
So unless they just sell it straight up, then I'll get it. There's other better brands you can get.
Spring. Irish
You
Spring.
want to go get something to drink or no?
Yeah, drink.
Let's go.
Maybe they have free taste.
Huh?
Maybe they have free taste.
Freeties? I don't know what you're talking about.
Free taste. Free taste. Free taste.
I don't know what that is.
Free taste.
Free taste?
Yeah.
You mean like samples? No,
Yeah,
they don't have that. They definitely do not have that.
Yeah. Maybe there.
Let's see if we can get through this way.
Ito mga kachupa, kukuha tayo nito. Mukhang masarap to.
Can we get this?
Only one.
Okay.
At maybe vitamins.
They don't need vitamins.
They need vitamin C.
Then go ahead and get it.
How much, B?
No. See the price. Okay. Can't fit in the basement anyway.
Yeah, too tall.
Yeah, it's very tall.
Hello,
Oh,
mga
that's
kachupa.
not good.
What happened?
Yeah, wait till we fix the problem. Let's go back and wait inside the cars.
Oh, this is my first time. Mga kachupa, pina-evacuate kami lahat, oh.
Evacuation they must have detected.
Lastly?
Yeah, that's a cool thing.
Wala, B, where's your car?
Somewhere.
Wala, nawawala yung kotse namin, Day. Bakit kaya ganun? Day, first time ko pa naman mag-shopping dito. Day, pinalis na ulit. Hindi pa nga ako nakakapag-shopping. Nakakaasar naman tong Costco to. Pero mag-aantay kami mga kachupa. Do you think they're gonna reopen again?
No, I think they took it. Oh yeah, wait a little bit. Keys?
Nakakaasar naman, mga kachupa. Minsan na nga lang ako makapag-shopping eh. Pinauwi agad kami, hindi pa ako nakakapag-shopping, nakakasar. Pero antayin namin mga kachupa.
I'm Angelica now.
Ang aking pamangkin kasi wala pa din ang noo. Ang daming tao. Ang dami pa naman tao sa SNR. Sa Costco. Balikan ko kayo later ha mga kachupa. Kaya mga kachupa ko. Naantay silang buksan ulit. Ang daming tao roon sa likod. Buti pa to, nakapag-grocery na oh. Pero pupunta muna kami mall mga kachupa kasi hindi namin alam kung hanggang anong oras tong matatapos. Bibili muna kami ng mga ano ron sa mall. Tapos balikan ko kayo sa Costco. Meron kasing carbon monoxide leak dito sa Costco kaya pinalabas lahat kami baka mamaya daw sumabog, ganyan. Kaya pinauwi agad kami. Eh what happened to those people that it's in the counter?
Everybody got out. They're probably going to send in like a technician or somebody to find a leak and fix it. But everybody evacuated.
It's a long line eh. That's why a lot of people getting mad.
Some people are getting ready to check out now they have to wait. So
Ang haba pa naman din ang pila doon.
they probably left all their cartons or stuff in there. They can't leave. They have to wait to get their stuff. Luckily, we didn't have anything yet.
Yeah.
So we could just leave. We didn't have anything. Oh, I didn't know they had gasoline too now. Costco gasoline.
Yeah, they
They
have.
have a gas station too.
Yeah.
They expanded.
Costco's getting in the business.
Yeah, they're expanding their business. Go, people, go.
Ayan yung gas station nila, mga kacho. And then, punta na tayo sa mall muna.
And they fixed it already.
They fix it now?
Yes,
Okay, we're here na. Ang Costco, mga kachupa. Dito na ulit kami sa Costco.
We have to find
And bukas na ulit sila. So yun mga kachupa, pagka pumunta kayo dito sa Costco ng Amerika, magpapa-card ka muna kasi kailangan nila ng scan. Hihiramin ko sana yung card ng friend ko, kaya lang sabi niya bawal kasi may mga picture daw yun. So, magpa-card kami ng asawa ko, $65 lang naman. And then dalawa na card yun, isa sa akin, isa sa kanya. So, maganda pa rin mga kachupa. Yung aso nakadungaw sa ano. The dog looking. So, ay mga kachupa, mag-shopping tayo ng ipamimili natin sa pamilya natin sa Balikbayan Box. Ang bibiling ko lang naman is yung mga needs nila na shampoo, sabon, pagkain ng bata, yung tabon, yung crackers. Luckily, we don't have parking.
We'll find parking.
Zero.
It's too far. I'm gonna look in the next aisle here. So I thought I saw some. If not, we can park over there.
The guy that got out.
Yeah.
So, let's go mga kachupapis. Dito na kami. Meron silang Coke Q10. $30. So, malaki rin. 140 soft gel. Pero hindi ko na kasi lahat. Ang kailangan ko is vitamin C. Kapal. Ang vitamin D. This is kind of like
candy.
Okay. This one is better, 1,000.
Candy orange. About $15. I think that's a good price.
This one? No?
$15.
And then 500 tablets. So,
I
yan
think
din
that's
tayo.
the double pack.
Yeah, that's double pack. But it's
These
only...
are pills, those are gummies.
Yeah.
There's a difference. This is 500 tablets. How much is this? 180, so 360 total. Well, it depends if they want the gummies or they like the pills.
180 only. This one better.
But this is gummy. That's the difference. It's gummy. It's a 2-pack.
200 tablet, vitamin C. How many I'm gonna buy? Only one?
This is all you need. 500. That's a lot.
Okay. Bili tayo na ito. 15?
This is $17.
Where did you see the 70?
Right there. 10. The one versus $10.99.
That's Colgate though. This is Chris. 14.
Oh, is it?
Hello.
That's Colgate. This is Crest. Look at this.
This one is for kids. Wait, can I buy? This is fix only, no?
I think so.
Can I buy that one? For kids. Yay! Hanap tayo na sabon. Yan na natin yung ating head and shoulder, oh. $15. Yan ang ano, gano'n ito kalaki. 1 liter
I should
mahigit.
avoid like food.
Okay. Okay, here. This is what I'm talking about. See, it's 20 bars. It's only 11. Oh, I think can I buy that 2 box? Oh, I cannot carry.
So it's small.
Yes. Okay. Ano pang? Chupa, ang ganda ng Oleo. 16 bars. Can I get Dove, B? Asan yung Dove dito? Dito naman tayo. Sa mga canned goods, B? Canned goods. Yung Oreo niya, mga kachupa, $10. Tama ba Oreo, B? Oreo, tama, $10. 12 pack na ng Oreo.
Oreos?
Yeah. That one. And then, Nutella, 12.
Salad biscuit.
Parang masarap din yung Nutella, B.
What do you want?
Is this one, the one is kind of like this?
Mm-hmm.
4 bulbs? Only 4 bulbs? O 20 ano?
It says 20 biscuit times 4. I guess there's 4 bags in there and there's 20 biscuits in each.
Okay.
Goldfish.
$11.
Okay. Looking for Spam? All right, let's go get it. You're running out of room very quickly. I mean, you can get it and then probably split it up.
$23.
One box.
Only one box, 2 boxes. Or maybe different canned goods, no?
Get different canned goods. It's better if you get variety. There's lots of other stuff.
Okay, go.
Eggs, vegetables.
Bili rin tayo nito mga kachopa. Only one.
You need 2.
There's a paprika in there already.
Let's see, what does it say? Ingredients. Salt, sugar, spices including paprika, celery seed, turmeric. There's like onion, cornstarch, garlic.
Okay, that one is good then.
Yeah, this is a mix of many herbs and spices. It's a seasoned salt, so it already has it in there, so you don't even need paprika.
Okay.
But if
Okay,
you buy paprika separate, you want to use it for like marinated meat.
Walnuts bio for my mom. Yeah. Okay. Mix pala. Ito meron silang ano, bake OB.
Triple chocolate.
No?
No, that's a powdered mix. You gotta make the cookie yourself.
Okay. Not that one then. Nutella. Bili tayo ng ano, pancake B. Let's buy pancake. Ito, nahanap ko na rin. I wanna buy this one. Pancake. Of course, you know.
Get it?
Only one?
Because you need space.
Okay.
The more variety you have, the better. You do too many of one thing, you're gonna run out of space.
Ito. Bili tayo ng Nutella. Wala pong malaking Nutella. Ito, Bio, $10 lang, oh. Both, dalawa. Huh? Oh. Actually, I should buy 3, eh.
Buy one.
Because there are 3 there. And then I'm gonna get the one for our house.
Okay. One for each, one for us.
Yeah. $11 lang siya. Dalawa na. peanut butter. No. Ay, honey bee. Wanna buy honey?
Do they know how to use it?
Of course. 2 bills so big. $13 lang, mga kachopa. Only one.
Honey?
Ay, we should buy for us, B. So that way we're not gonna buy. No. Because it's only, ano.
Don't worry about the price. I'm telling you, we're not saving that much money. If we spend $12 buying this, we spend $12 buying honey at Walmart, you get the same amount or more.
No, the Walmart is only half of this and it costs $15 already.
Are you sure?
I know, because I always buy the honey.
Okay, one for us.
Okay. Yay! We're going back. Yes. Ano pa mga kachopa? Ano pa kailangan natin? Ay, yung syrup for this. Syrup for this.
You have honey. You can use honey.
Ah, okay. You wanna buy? For your? Ito mga kachopa oh. $7.99.
I don't think we should do that. It's gonna get crushed.
Okay. Bili tayo ng iced tea. $6.99. Malaki na siya mga kachopa. But they have a horchata. Horchata.
They like it.
This one they like it.
You get the tea.
Maybe I cannot carry. Yes. Cha-ching! Ano pa kailangan ka show pa? Wala na dito, B. Let's go there. Dito na tayo sa chocolate, mga kachopapis. $12.99. Itong malaking ano na to. Ay, tama ba, B? Oh, this one. That one.
No, we're not going to do that. That one's probably going to melt. These are less prone to melting.
That one is good?
Yeah, we can get this.
I think we should get the almond, not M&M. So much healthier.
Where?
Like this, oh. This one is better. Ay, girl. 20 bucks pala, B. Ayun, 20 bucks.
Okay. One.
And then...
Everybody's going to be fighting for that one. One? Yes? Or maybe...
We should get the
Oh no, we should get the variety.
Yeah, variety. Ito, kachupa madami na, oh. Ito na lang, B. I think better. This one is better. No. It's $20 and $23.99. How many pieces?
This one's got everything in it. This one is... It does not say. Yeah, it doesn't say. But it's probably like 150 pieces maybe.
What's... Okay, 150?
Yeah.
What chocolate is that one?
It's all chocolate.
Okay.
It's got everything. It's got Kit Kat, Snickers, 100 gram.
Okay, that's one better.
M&M's, Twix, Milky Way, Reese's, Hershey's, and Almond Joy. One brand.
Kachupa,
Just
oh.
the circle candy. But it's supposed to be the flavor for it.
Try kaya... You wanna try? Hello?
If you want to try it, you can. But it's not...
Okay, I think it's not good. Dito tayo sa kabila. Ay, ito naman, B. Miss B Kiss. This is the one that I want. 30 packs na siya. I saw
Smokehouse and Harpoon for $20. 30 bags. Can be for you, but we're not gonna send it.
why?
Look how much room it's gonna take up just for chips.
Okay, we're not gonna do it.
This is probably almost full in the box already.
Okay, let's find the different canned goods.
Find different stuff.
Canned goods na lang mga
This
ka-chip.
will take up a lot of room, but very little chips.
Ay, beef jerky! May Veno rin dito, pero hindi ko bibili nito kasi nadudurog to eh. Buena.
You wanna get that?
No. And then beef jerky. Family size. Ito ba, is this the one that I bought from
No,
Walmart?
this is different. This
Can I get 3? So one of them. One family. No? Machupa. Okay, $17, $18.
we're over $100.
This
Way
one,
over.
I'm gonna put this back.
You can get that
For me?
for them.
How they gonna how they gonna have that one?
Well, it's up to them to decide who gets what.
They have here already.
Okay.
But if I'm gonna get it for me.
If you want it, you can get it for you.
Okay. And mixed nuts. And canned goods. That's the
Find
only
the
one.
mixed nuts.
This one, B, oh, is much cheaper. Ito na lang kaya, B. That one is $10. So, ito kasi masyadong... This one is, so expensive, $17.
This one probably has more. This is 18 ounce. This one here is 12 ounce. So it's a little bit less. But this one is, let's get out. This one is extra premium. You want to get this instead?
It's okay.
98%
Because I don't want you to get the expensive one.
This one is a little bit more. That's
Yeah.
why it costs more. This one is $11. This is
$18. That's why $18. So,
it's a little bit more, but it costs a lot.
get 3. And then I'm gonna get this one. Masarap ito mga kachupe, oh. $13.99.
You want to get 3?
Yeah. And then this one. It's 20 pieces already.
Okay, we can split this up.
Okay. Let's go find mixed nuts for my mom.
Keep going.
Where? Ato, P. Mixed nuts. Ayan, mixed nuts. $13. Ito para kay mama.
This is perfect.
For my
It's got
mom.
everything in there that you need.
Okay.
Walnuts, cashews, almonds, chestnuts. Perfect mix.
Okay, another canned goods. Wala ng canned goods, B. There's no canned goods anymore. B, I think they say this one is delicious, oh.
I'm sure it is. It sounds good.
Hindi ko na. Ito rin, may mga mixed nuts din dito. Maybe they don't have another canned goods. The beef stew. The one that I was looking for. Okay. Ay, can I buy this one too? B? Cashew? This one, no? Pistachio?
think we're gonna stick with that.
Okay. For our house. No? How much is this big? 13?
For you? $500.
I don't think so. 200? 300. Always this is on time. Yeah, absolutely. I told you.
Hey, you got the lucky guess. See, we'll see how much room we have left, and then we'll go to Walmart. All right? On a different day. Oh, you said.
Oh yeah, hot dog. My hot dog. That one. It's only $1.
And my hot dog.
Here. So naka kami makachopa. Naka $291.
Order here?
Yeah, you need to order.
You need manual order. It's all automatic.
Yep.
Just a hot dog?
Yeah. If you want pizza,
Oh, hot dog and soda mixed together.
oh, it's $1 only. that one is much cheaper than the. Okay, bye.
This is only $1.50.
Okay. So, ito yung mga kachopa yung aming binili. Yung tax namin is, yung ganin tax. Ayun, total tax is $5.78. Ayan, mga kachopa. And ito yung aming price. Tapos ito yung napamili namin.
So, order 67.
Mura ng mga ano nila mga kachopa. Bumili kami ng 2 hotdog, tag-isa kami ng asawa ko. Gusto ko sanang tikman yung kanilang pizza, pero next time na lang. So, ito yung aming order. Hot dogs. Yeah, there you go. They have onion. That's
some
good.
ice? I'm gonna get some ice.
Okay. Kain muna kami mga kachopa ha. Dating hotdog tignan mo mga kachopa. Lagpas siya sa Ngayon gusto kong hotdog malaki. Lagyan natin onion. No. Ayan. Gatong onion mga kachopa ang gusto ko. Very fresh. Itong Pepsi, hindi ko muna ako. Try na lang muna kami dito sa doctor. That's it.
The soda machine is broken, so they did the cans.
Baby,
What?
we should share because I can't finish this one.
It's okay. You finish it before we leave. Mine's broke already.
Okay. This is better than Chicago hot.
And it's only $1.50.
Bumili kami ng hotdog sa Chicago. $7, wala pang drinks. Ito $1 lang Lagpas-tagpas pa yung hotdog. Masarap naman yung hotdog mga kachopa.
Okay? Big hot dog.
This is the hotdog I want. Yes, pauwi na kami mga kachopa. Medyo pa ulan mga kachopa. Ha?
Maybe it'll be nice to go on the different one. I don't know.
Maybe it's cloudy and money to walk now.
They don't have any bags, boxes. They don't have any. And you're gone.
May chocolate!
All this, almost $300.
Hi mga kachupa! Hanggang dito lang yung ating vlog at ayun mga kachupa, next time pagka nagkaroon ako ng trabaho, nagkaroon ako ng sariling income, tagi-isang box na yung aking family, mga kapatid ko. Pagka nagka-work na ako, ganun mga kachupa. Ngayon kasi hindi pa. So, ito lang yung makakaya ko. Ito lang ang makakaya ng asawa ko. Pero feeling ko naman, thankful naman sila dahil may kapatid silang nandito sa Amerika na nagpapadala sa kanila. So mga kachupa, antayin nyo yung aking vlog pagka nagbalik bayan box na ako. So ayun mga kachupa, thank you so much, B. Love you. So ayun lang mga kachupa, thank you so much for always watching and don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. God bless. B, ganun kami.